Morning traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Thursday morning, August 27th, and we're going to talk to you about the grain markets here in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, the first chart of corn, and all three of these charts that I put in front of you this morning, corn, soybeans, and wheat, they're all above the 100-day moving average. Very impressive. And corn this morning, USDA, another record announcement of U.S. corn sales to China. We have record sales now on the books, and the rumors continue that China is going to continue to be buying U.S. corn. This is really, really positive. Personally, I don't think China has a choice. With their herds of hogs coming back and the population that they have to buy U.S. grains from us here. And it's a good story, and we're going to keep talking about it. Look at this chart of corn now. It's a gap and go this week. Very impressive. And some will tell you this is the start of a bull market. And others will tell you when the combines start rolling here in the fall, you're going to see a stronger yielding corn than anybody's talking about when we back and fill. So it'll be interesting, fascinating to see how this unfolds here in the weeks ahead. I think this fall you're going to have a strong basis for corn. Farmers aren't going to sell their corn off the field. It's going to be a good story here. The Iowa corn crop, 19% it dropped in 2 weeks, good to excellent. Just a phenomenal drop in the corn situation in Iowa here. So Monday night's corn crop, good to excellent, will be watched closely as we talk about it each week now here. So big crops, they do get bigger, except when it does not rain in August here. So it's hot and dry. They are calling for rains next week, so that can be critical and key for soybean. It can still help the soybeans here. Next chart of soybean, you can see just impressive here how it's trending higher. Now we're in a window of opportunity to sell U.S. soybeans to China. Brazil is out, so going forward here, September, October, November, December, January, good opportunity, and China will continue to buy U.S. soybeans. Exports are the key. I talk about them every week. Mexico bought more pork than China from us last week, so just strong. China had record pork imports from us in July. Switching over to the beef market, Japan and Korea are our biggest beef partners here, big beef buyers. So just exports are important, and seems to be kicking along here pretty darn good. The next chart is wheat now, and I have some clients, savvy wheat traders, and they tell me that wheat's going to continue to go up. Look at this chart of wheat. That's what it's telling us. And count the waves on this chart in the wheat market. It's not one or two or three. It's multiple waves going higher. So this is a good story here. Egypt buying wheat again, big tenders of wheat here. Granted, it's mainly Russian, Ukrainian, but a good story going on. Now this week we've had the Premier Lee and Lighthizer talking about the Phase 1 grain purchases, so that's a positive. As we get closer to the election here in the fall, you're going to hear more and more about that. So I really think no matter who wins the election, China has to buy grain from us here at USA, and this is going to be a driving force for us moving these markets higher. And it just seems in January or February we're going to have higher grain prices than we do today. Let's all have an excellent day.